getting ready to have some peas.
We're gonna have peas for the first time.
And they're doing the inauguration of Barack Obama right now.
Yeah.
So we'll never
It's exciting.
We'll never forget the first day we had peas.
All right. Look at you stinkers.
Organic peas from my little sweetheart. Are you ready? Are you ready to try something new? Okay, here we go.
All right. All right.
Ready? Mmm.
That's good.
Yummy.
That's good.
Oh, you like it? Ooh. Yay.
That's good stuff.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh. Come here, Tinky.
He's just staring at me.
I know. You know you're on video. Okay, ready? These peas are yummy stuff. He's eating so good.
Yes, you are. You're gonna finish all those peas.
Ready, set, come on.
That's good.
Oh. We had a little pea explosion.
That's good stuff. You're gonna finish all these, I bet. I bet.
What is that? Yummy? Boy, you like this,
I wonder if
but...
his nose is too plugged.
No, he's good.
Because that's why he's breathing through his mouth.
No, I know. He's fine.
That's good.
Wow!
That's good. That's good.
Just a few more for our first time.
Oh, we're gonna finish it, mother.
Wow! You're my big boy eating food.
You're so good. You are so good.
Ready? You're such a big boy.
You are awesome. You are awesome. He likes it.
Oh yeah, fine, eat peas. Oh. We have to get a picture of you with the camera too. 'Cause this is a big day.
It's a big day. You're doing real good.
He really likes it. You really love those peas. So what's today? January 20th. 2009. Whee! Your cousin Maggie walked for the first time yesterday.
Nice.
She did. She walked. Yeah, I think so.